Hello, welcome to an all-new episode of Conversations with Tony. Today's question comes from Susan Eichhorn Young, and she writes, can you make a case for or against the selfie? Susan, I love this question because I love when I get to see your face pop up on my timeline. But the real truth is that a selfie is a modern-day self-portrait. And if self-portraits were good enough for Van Gogh, then they're good enough for you and me. Now, selfies traditionally get a bad rap because people think that it's all about the people who are vain and narcissistic and just snapping photos of themselves all day long. But the truth is that the selfie has evolved just like we have. And as I'm making this self-tape video for you now, we have a proliferation of selfie videos. Whether it's the snaps in the stories that we see, whether it's the TikToks and the reels of people telling us all these different things, or it's sort of Instagram Live and Instagram television, the modern day vlogging that came about with YouTube culture. So the truth is, the selfie isn't going away, and it's powerful. Human faces on social media get 38% more likes and 32% more comments. So how do you make this work for you? Well, my case is when you have something to share, put your face on it. Put a photo of your face out there or get on camera and talk to your audience because you're going to get 38% more likes and 32% more comments. So if you are one of those shy types and you need some prompts and some permissions to put yourself out there, click on the link with this video and I'll give you all kinds of ideas for your own self-portraits and self-tapes. You're welcome. If you have a question for me, slide into the DMs because I want to make more helpful content for you. And I hope I get to see you in our upcoming call on October the 4th. Go ahead and join the Changemaker community at tonyhowell.co. See you next time.